Are we all together? Everyone. This particular formula is known as weighted average. Clarity, Pakka. Can I play with this formula a little? Can I cross multiply? Will I get AWT W1 plus AWT W2 equal to A1 W1 plus A2 W2? Any confusion? Can I do this? Taking W1 terms on one side and W2 terms on the other side, can I say AWT W1 minus A1 W1 is equal to A2 W2 minus AWT W2? Any confusion? Can I take W1 common and get AWT minus A1? Taking W2 common, do I get A2 minus AWT? Finally, W1 divided by W2 is equal to A2 minus AWT divided by AWT minus A1. This is known as rule of alligation.
And the lower one is better. Lower one is easier than
this one. This is the base formula. So obviously this will be easier. This is something which we derive out of this formula. I'll tell you what all this is. So you will start finding this easier. What does rule of alligation say? Rule of alligation says, if you know the individual averages, that is A1 and A2, and you know the weighted average, that is AWT, then in that case you can find out the ratio in which the two quantities should be mixed to get the answer. I'll repeat. If you know the individual averages and you know the weighted average, you will be able to identify or find out the ratio in which the two quantities should be mixed. For example, if I take the previous question itself, the average of the boys was 20, girls was 20, average of the boys was 60, and if you carefully did this question, the weighted average was 45. And he asks me that what is the ratio of boys to girls inside the class. So what I do is, I always write A1 here, W1 will come at the bottom. I write A2 here, W2 is going to come at the bottom, and I write AWT here. A2 minus AWT, I will write in cross. 60 minus 45 is 15. 45 minus 20 is again in cross 25. This becomes 3:5. So that means ratio of mixture of girls to boys is 3:5. Is it very clear what I am talking? Absolutely. These chart will help you maintain or do any of the questions in mixtures and solutions. Each question we'll apply this chart, but before we get on to the actual application, let us try to identify what type of questions can be there in mixtures and solutions. I can mix a pure solution with another pure solution. Example, pure milk with pure water. No problem. I will get some percentage purity of milk. I can mix impure solution with pure solution. Example, I have 40% milk and I add 100% milk in this to increase the purity of this milk. Yes, no? Then and only then purity can be increased. Third, I can mix impure solution with impure solution. That maybe example, 40% milk I mix with 80% milk. Can there be any other thing to mix? या तो आप दो प्योर मिक्स करोगे, या एक प्योर और एक इम्प्योर, या आप दो इम्प्योर, इसके अलावा तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता. That's it. You will not get more than these three varieties of questions. Let's get on to the example. Let's start from here. Let's take this example itself. I have got 40% milk and I have got 80% milk, and I want to mix them in a way that I get 70% milk. What do I do?